Hey internet, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to film another unboxing, and this is the Fab Fit Fun box. I guess this is the spring box. I am not partnered with them, but maybe eventually I will be. So I buy this with my own money. If you want to get a referral code for $15 off of your first box, I can put that in the description down below. But let's take a look at what's in this box here. The box is like super pretty, very springy. The association that it is affiliated with this month is Dress for Success. They always affiliate with a what is it called? A charity every single time, so they give some money to the charity every box that is sold. And let's open her up and see what's inside. So every time you open it, you get there is some spoilers in this magazine here. There's also usually a person that's on there that does a little editorial in there. And then you always usually get a couple coupons. This one is for Bite Me, which seems to be like tooth whitening that you can get a code off of. And they usually always do a HelloFresh, so you can get 9 free meals if you use this code on there. And let's open it to see what we have inside. I don't remember what I ordered. They usually they let you customize a couple items. I have no idea what I ordered. I totally forget. Oh my god, this is cute, super cute at the top. It's a brush. This is a Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. I think it's rose gold. This is really cool. Yeah, look at this. It's like one of those big fat brushes. I can brush my hair right now, yes. Oh, it's like super tangly. I always need an extra brush because I always find that I go through brushes really quickly. Is there anything else about this? Let's see. This professional paddle brush features extended bristles for easily detangling and reduces stress to hair and scalp during blow drying and styling. That's pretty good because my hair is a little bit dry, so definitely going to take use of that. So the next item we have inside, I'm just going to grab one. Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes, I love this stuff. I usually use the Evian one, but this is the Avene one. It is it's basically just water, but don't judge me. It's basically just a water spray. I'm not going to open it because it's basically just going to be water. There's no swatch of it. But it is soothing, and it's good in the summer because when you're really hot, spray this on your face and then fan your face, and it's really nice, refreshing feeling. I'm pretty excited to get this. I don't know if this is included in everyone's box, but it's a full size, 150 milliliters. This I'm definitely going to use. Okay, so the next item we have inside is a brand that they have been using, or is in usually a lot of the boxes. I swear I have a couple of these items. AG Hair Care. This is the fast food leave-in conditioner moisturizer. So I think you leave this in after you wash your hair instead of conditioning. Yeah, applied to damp hair, do not rinse. So I did use, there is another one that I got that was a leave-in conditioner, and yeah, it actually worked really well, so I'll probably be using this as well. Sometimes I get things in these boxes and I don't use them, so I just usually give them to people, but this one, the spray, the brush, definitely everything I'm going to be using. So it looks like we have 4 more items in here. This one is silicone straws. I love plastic straws now. Like when I thought of like a world without straws, I was really sad about it. And they're such cute colors, look. Ooh, and they're squishy. I like this better as opposed to like metal or plastic straws actually. because I was a straw biter and I will always be a straw biter, so I can actually bite these and have the same satisfying feeling of biting a straw, and then I can clean it and then no one will use them because it'll be all weird and bitten. I think that's all you get. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, maybe this is oh, it's like a plastic carrying case. So you get this little plastic carrying case. Love the freaking color. It's like a nice little mint green. I think you just like fold them up. Yeah, you just like fold them up and stick them inside. It's like a little pill case, but that's definitely cute. I'm definitely gonna be using these. I'm so excited I can chew on a straw again. I was chewing on a metal Jeffree Star straw and almost broke my damn tooth, so definitely gonna be using these. So the next item we have is something from Murad, a skincare company that I do use as of right now. This I have not used. It's the Rapid Collagen Infusion Cream. So it reduces the appearance of fine line and wrinkles in 2 hours. Oh, okay. Well, I'm definitely going to be using that. Use AM and PM, massage evenly over clean face and neck and chest. So use it twice a day. It's probably just like a clear lotion. It's a little pump. I've seen this at Sephora a million times. I feel like it's probably a lot of money. That's why I never buy it. But that's what this subscription is good for. Buying things you won't normally buy for lower price to test them out. And they do give you full-size products. Some things are a little bit smaller sometimes, but this is a full-size product. So again, something else I'm going to be using. So here we go. We have 3 more items as far as I can see. This one is a company I think I've seen before in one of the other boxes. This Works is the brand. Seems like it's a lotion. It is a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, some other stuff to nourish and support and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils. Oh my god, lavender. Yes. So this is probably like something that you use before bed. Yeah, it says deep sleep body cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. I love like before bed stuff. And especially if it has lavender in it, I'm down. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yeah, definitely a lavender smell. I'll definitely be using this because I already use the Lush Sleep Lavender body lotion. They have conditioner of that. They have body wash of that. They have a bunch of stuff of that. Try that if you love lavender as well, but this one I'm definitely going to use. So speaking of sleep, I know what this one is because this is like the only thing I remember, and I'm so excited about it. It is a weighted sleep mask from Gravity. I swear this was like targeted towards like vitality and like sleep, this whole box, and I'm down because I am just like a sleepy sloth all the time. Oh my god, it's heavy. So it has, let's see if there's any information on it. So it's filled with 100% glass beads. Usually they use flaxseed for eye masks. Like I know they use that in the yoga eye masks for like yin classes and stuff. But this is gonna be used, and I know that the weight sometimes is very helpful with falling asleep. It has a Velcro strap on it, so it's also good because sometimes I find with sleep masks, you put them over your head so many times that the strap gets too big and then they just slide off eventually. This is good because it has a little bit of a stretch on it and a Velcro strap, so it'll never not fit your face. So this is definitely going to be used and it's going to be come in handy with any time that, also like literally I'm sitting on my weighted blanket, so all hail the weighted items. We have one more item in here and I literally have no idea what this is. I don't remember if I ordered this or not. I think it was one of my selections. It kind of looks like a shirt. No idea. It says Donnie. Donnie? Yeah. It's like a ribbed sweatshirt. Oh, it's like a little cover up. It's like a quarter sleeve cover up. It's pretty cute actually. They always have like little shawls like this. Like they had the Spiritual Gangster one like a couple boxes ago. It has pockets. So this might be for like sleeping. Let's see if it has anything in the description here. Well, there's just a really sad story on there about how she lost her father. But it is called a sand wash cardigan. Super cute. Can go with any outfit. Can be worn for nighttime or going out. Yeah. So that's everything I think I can see in here. So if you want to see any more Fab Fit Fun boxes, I'll post them as I get them. The next one will be the summer box. Yeah, everything in here I'm definitely going to be using. Sometimes, like I said, there's things in there that are kind of like I'm not going to really use. But if you upgrade your box, I know it's fully customizable. I didn't upgrade mine, so I can only customize a couple of items. But if you want to fully customize it so you never get anything you won't use, definitely possible. But that's all for today. Come back for more content. If you really like what I'm doing, subscribe down below, hit the like button, and stay curious, guys. Bye.